Hello everyone. Welcome to the Nexra Trader channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the oldest cryptocurrencies in the market and also one of the lower risk digital assets, which is Litecoin. As you probably know, Litecoin is one of the candidates for future crypto ETFs, which means that in the long run, it could attract strong institutional money and potentially experience solid growth. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Litecoin is considered a relatively low-risk cryptocurrency with lower volatility compared to most other coins. That's why many people refer to it as the silver of the crypto market. In terms of price behavior, its volatility is somewhat similar to silver. Because of this, Litecoin can be a good option for traders and investors who prefer low-risk strategies and want to avoid extreme price fluctuations. To put it simply, more than 90% of cryptocurrencies have very high volatility, while Litecoin belongs to the category of low volatility, lower risk assets. Now, let's move to the weekly chart. As you can see, price is currently experiencing compression and is trading inside a triangle pattern. After multiple touches of the upper and lower trend lines, price is now sitting near the bottom of the triangle. This area can be considered suitable for a first spot buy, especially for traders who prefer low-risk entries. Another important point is that the crypto market has gone through heavy price declines over the past few years. Markets where most people are fearful can actually become opportunity markets, because that's where you can often find undervalued prices. On the other hand, when everyone is in profit and extremely bullish, the market can become dangerous. Also, keep in mind that this is a one-step entry, and we should never invest all of our capital at one price level or into a single asset. Let's continue with the analysis. If Litecoin can hold these levels and eventually break above the $115 to $120 resistance, then in the long term, we could see targets around $200 or even higher. Please note that this is a long-term time frame, and it may take time to play out. Now, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, price is moving inside a descending channel with a relatively mild slope. If price can break above the midline of this channel, we could see a short-term move toward $83. And if price manages to break above $83, then $95 would be the next target. However, if price loses the current support zone, the next level to average down our entry would be around $60. Finally, I want to remind you that this analysis is only my personal opinion and not financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, always do your own research. Use this analysis only as a supportive tool, and always use a stop loss and stick to it. Make sure you practice proper risk management, and for spot buying, always enter the market in steps. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.